Hello everyone, I'm back today with another I follow celebrity makeup tutorial type video. You guys love my Sonam one. I'm gonna leave that video in the description box below as well as somewhere on top here. I think here, I don't know. But anyway, I was inspired by my own video and I decided to follow Jhanvi Kapoor's makeup tutorial, and she did one in partnership or in collaboration with Nykaa, and this is her brunch makeup look, which is like her go-to glam, and this is kind of like my version of it. I have a lot of thoughts, I have a lot of comments about her technique and of course this look, so you guys will hear a lot of that throughout the video. And with all that being said, let's just get right into the actual tutorial because this was a fun video to film. I love filming these type of videos, so let's get right into it and I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, before I even get started, I just have to say I think that this video is in partnership with, collaboration with Nykaa, because number one, it's on Nykaa's YouTube channel, and then all of the products listed are from Nykaa. Now, of course, I don't have any Nykaa products, so I'm just gonna use what I've got here, and I will be linking everything below. Okay, enough talking, let's do this. Music.
Hi everyone, I'm getting ready to go for a brunch party and I'm going to show you how I do my makeup. This is my go-to look. This is what I usually do when I'm going out, but it's not an event, because for events I usually have makeup artists help me out. But when I'm getting ready and I know a lot of people are going to be there and I want to look pretty, this is what I do.
Okay, so quick thoughts. First of all, we are wearing exactly the same robe, which by the way, this robe is so comfortable. I've had this for such a long time now. I found it in my closet after seeing this video and I was like, I have to put it on for the video. If I can find it, I will link it below. And then secondly, this is gonna be kind of like her go-to brunch look, like her glam that she likes to do on herself. And my gosh, her skin is like already glowing. Let's keep going.
This is my dream. I've always wanted to do like a makeup tutorial. So even when I'd be in my room doing my makeup as a kid, I'd pretend that I'm doing a makeup tutorial. And even when I'd be cooking in kitchens, because I used to be obsessed with Nigella Lawson's cooking show. So I'd always be like, and now I'm gonna use a dollop of cream.
Okay, who else does that? Because I do. Every time I'm cooking, I swear in my head, I'm like on a cooking show, teaching my audience what I'm making. In my head always. So
I've got my hair out of my face and I'm wearing a white dress, so I'm going to keep the look a little peachy. There's nothing on my face right now, so I'm gonna start with...
Okay, so I just have to quickly pause and say her skin is literally glowing. Like, I have to go back right here. Her skin is so even and glowing and healthy looking. And then of course I was reading some of the comments and some people are saying that she's already wearing makeup. Like the title or one of the comments says title, how to apply makeup on makeup. And then if you scroll down, so many people are like, are you wearing makeup, whatever. I'm just gonna believe her. If she's saying that she's not wearing any makeup, I'm gonna believe that, although her skin does look extremely even.
The Nykaa concealer. And I'm going to use the yellow corrector because I was told by someone that I have a yellow undertone. So I'm just going to correct a little bit under my eyes.
She is using a yellow corrector as a concealer. Now, yellow correctors are usually meant to kind of brighten up dull skin, so you can use it. But I personally, especially for dark circles, would use like a peachy tone. But of course, I am gonna follow her exactly. So I'm gonna use this Milani color correcting palette, and I'm just gonna go in with the yellow color corrector and apply this underneath my eyes. Oh my gosh, that is very light. Okay, that is looking too intense. You know what? I can't use this. Be right back. Let me quickly wipe this off, and then I'm just gonna use a concealer in place of this corrector because this is just too light for me. Be right back. I'm actually going in with my MAC Studio Fix concealer in NC42, and I'm gonna use that as my corrector slash concealer because clearly the one from Milani did not work for my skin whatsoever. So I'm just gonna use this underneath my eyes and blend it out with my fingers just like she is.
Sculpting and hydrating foundation in Pure Ivory. But I'm going to use it as a concealer because I don't actually use foundation. I don't like to. I feel like if you don't need it, it can make your skin look chalky. So I've mixed shade 1 and shade 2, and I'm just gonna mix it together. And it's super smooth and creamy, which I love. And I'm gonna dab a little bit under my eyes. And now I need to wipe the rest off my hand.
So it looks like she's just using the foundation as the concealer. So I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna use the Armani Luminous Silk, and I'm in the shade 7.5. But she clearly said that she does not like to wear a lot of foundation, and she'll avoid it if she can. So she probably isn't wearing any makeup in this tutorial. Anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the foundation directly underneath my eyes and kind of use it as a concealer as she is.
So now that I'm done with concealer, I'm going to go in with my eyebrows. My sister always makes fun of the way I do my eyebrows because I either barely ever do it or I overline it, but she's like an expert on doing her eyebrows.
So she just quickly went in and like brushed out her brows first. So I'm gonna do the same. And then she's using an eyebrow pencil, like an actual like sharpened pencil. I'm not gonna use that, to be honest. I don't like those type of pencils for my eyebrows. I've only found like 2 that I like. I usually like these like retractable ones because they're not as soft as like a traditional eyebrow pencil. So I'm just gonna quickly go in and fill in my brows because I think they just fast forward this part anyway. All right, her eyebrows are so natural looking and mine are kind of just like a little too done up. So I'm gonna go in and kind of brush them out and make them look more like hers, more like natural.
I'm gonna use the highlighter on my eyes, but before that I'm going to shade and shadow a little bit. I'm gonna go in with the brown.
Oh.
And I feel like using a brown.
Okay, her technique to apply an eyeshadow is so interesting. Let me get an eyeshadow brush and I'll be right back. We have so much to talk about. Okay, first of all, she did not use an eyeshadow primer, which for me is like a must because can you guys see, like my eyelids tend to get pretty like, not oily, but it will crease my eyeshadow if I don't put some sort of eyeshadow primer, but of course I'm not gonna do it today. And then she kind of took like this like light brown shade, tapped off the excess, which is totally fine. And then she did this like barely touching her eye type motion, which is so interesting. Okay, let me see where she applied it again one more time.
And I feel like using a brown crease in a windshield wiper motion. I heard this in another YouTube video and I've been wanting to say it ever since. Windshield wiper motion.
She's like barely applying any powder on her crease in that windshield wiper motion, which just means like applying your eyeshadow back and forth in your crease like this to really kind of shade your crease. So I'm gonna follow that exactly. But I have to tell you, it kind of doesn't even look like she's applying any makeup at all. Cause like you can really see my eyeshadow, right? At least I hope you can. I don't really see much of hers, but maybe it'll come together. Let's see.
Nika highlighter in the shade Moonshine 3. First I'm gonna go in with the darker one. I'm gonna put it on my eyelids.
Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and follow this look exactly, and she's kind of applying it like everywhere. So that's what we're gonna do. But I'm gonna be honest, I still don't see a lot of makeup happening with her. Like no eyeshadow. What am I missing here?
I'm gonna use the I Am 24/7 kajal and I'm just gonna put it on my upper eyelid. I used to see my mom do her makeup and she could literally do her eye makeup in a moving car without looking into a mirror.
She's doing like this technique, which you're really not supposed to pull on your eyes. If you do it here and there, it's fine, but I personally never really pull on my eyes like this to apply my eyeliner. But of course, we're gonna follow the tutorial exactly and just like pull and create a very thin eyeliner. Oh, I feel guilty doing this. I really feel so guilty doing this. Okay, you know what? Her eyeliner kind of looks like blurred out for some reason, and mine looks like very harsh. So let me just quickly blend mine out as well. And my look is looking so much more smokier than hers. Like, what is happening?
Malibu Barbie. Okay, so you guys need to know that these are really pigmented. So go easy.
Ooh, okay.
Dab off all the excess and give yourself a massage.
Okay, so she's going in and applying like a ton of blush on a stippling brush like this, which I don't remember the last time I used a brush like this to apply my blush. I usually use it for powder foundation, liquid foundation. Do you guys remember how much these were like in trend back in the day? Anyway, so she's just like really loading up her brush with like this, with the blush. And then she's like going in and like tapping off the excess. You really don't need to do this much tapping. Just take less product. And let's see where she applies it.
And then smile.
I don't see any product. Okay, the lighting must be really weird in this video because I literally don't see any product on Jhanvi's face. Like, what is happening? So, and she's like really applying a lot of it too. Do you guys see how much product I have? What the heck am I missing here?
अब मैं अपने चेहरे पे डालूंगी हाइलाइटर. हाइलाइटर से आपका चेहरा चमकता है. तो मैं यूज कर रही हूँ ब्रॉन्ज गोल्ड एंड ब्लश गोल्ड मूनशाइन 3, जो कि मैंने मेरे आंखों पर भी यूज किया था.
Oh, she's going in with the tapping motion. She's really going in.
इस्तेमाल करने जा रही हूँ अपने चेहरे पर. Oh my god.
The first product I actually see is her highlight, and she's like barely even touching her face. So I'm gonna like copy her technique of like barely even touching my face. I don't ever apply highlight like this. Her highlight is popping. That's like the first thing I'm seeing. All right.
My lip color. I'm using the Lipstone Eye Lip Liner in Pillow Fight. I love the name. So there's this trend that I remember people in the 70s and 80s would do a lot of it, that they'd line with a darker color and then go in on the inside with a lighter color. And I feel like that makes her lips look plumpier.
Okay, so she's just using like a pinky, peachy, nudie lip liner. You know what? I feel like this is not the right liner that I want to use. So I'm going to go in with the Jouer Sable lip liner. I love this one. And I'm going to quickly line my lips as well. Okay. Look, it's coming together.
I'm going to mix 10,000 gazillion colors. I'm mixing Pink on Fleek with Lacy Luck, Spice Baby. I'm gonna mix it.
Wow.
And just dab it on my lips.
Okay, I have never in my life used this technique to apply my lipstick, especially with like a lipstick like this. I have used a technique like this on other people, but not really on myself. But we're gonna follow it exactly. So she first went in with like a lip crayon, like a pinky one. So I'm using the NARS crayon. I'm gonna just write the names on the bottom. And then this one is from NUDESTIX, and I'm just gonna go in like this right next to the NARS one, and then kind of just like, I guess, mix the two together. Again, I wouldn't normally use this technique on myself. I would just apply it straight, but I'm gonna go in and fill in my lips. I see no color because the color is all here. Okay, this technique is not gonna work for me. I'm gonna wipe my hand. I'm gonna still mix my lips, but I'm gonna just apply directly from the tube onto my lips, like so. And just mix the shades like this. I guess she doesn't like too much going on in her lips. She's more of a natural beauty. Are we gonna do mascara? What's happening? Let's keep watching.
I'm good to go. So I'm gonna change and I will show you all my final look.
Wait. Okay, so she's not doing any mascara. I guess we're just leaving the look like this. And for me, this looks like really incomplete. Oof, but we're just gonna roll with it. Okay.
Change into my outfit.
Let me take this out.
Earrings on. Should I think open was better or tied? I think open. Done, and I'm ready. That's my look, my brunch look. It was easy. I don't think I took more than 10 minutes to finish my look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all had fun.
Alright, so I'm back with my final look, and I did make a few changes to the final look. First thing I did was actually remove a lot of my eyeshadow, because looking at her final look, and I'll insert a picture right here, she like barely has any eyeshadow. When she said throughout this video that less is more for her makeup, she was not kidding. She like barely touches her, you know, brushes or her fingers to her face with the makeup, and I definitely have a heavier hand, so I kind of like took off a lot of the eye highlight that I added, and I also applied a more peachy tone lip, because for some reason towards the end her lips look like really peachy, so I went in with this right here and I just applied it on top of my lipstick. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of like remove any of the extra product, keeping her technique. I actually think this is a really nice, simple, easy look that anyone can do. I just wish that I went in with some mascara to really complete this look. Believe me, that would have really made this look. And I also wish that I went in and applied foundation all over to create a more even base for myself, because her base just looks like so perfected. That's like the only two things that I wish that I did differently, but other than that, I actually really like this look. I feel like it's like really simple, easy, and kind of like a look that you can wear to any occasion. I really do like it. So let me know your guys' thoughts in the comment section below. I love doing these types of videos. They're so easy, they're so fun. So let me know if there's any other celebrities who have makeup tutorials out there that I need to follow in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will be sure to link this video from Nykaa also in the description box below, so you can watch that as well. But that's it for me today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Before you head out, don't forget to subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.